the installation of Exchange Server 2019 on our on-premise network, and also we'll discuss how the we will interact with our Active Directory domain server and with the Office 65 users which are having the root directory account cloud459.local. So guys, in this video, we will check, like, since this is our domain controller, you can see, which is our server 2025, which we have created on our Oracle VirtualBox. Now here, when we check about the users, this is our DC01, it's the machine name, and it is tied to the domain controller, which is our root domain, which is called example.local. Okay, and so here we can say that it is tied to cloud459.local, which is our Office 65 users when we check. So here we will see that it is this domain which is having cloud459.onmicrosoft.com. Now the users which we have provisioned, we have migrated it from our domain controller, which is our server 2025. Okay, so this server 2025 have, when we go to user section, we will see that these are the user list. So John Doe and Jane Smith. So these two users, we will ensure that this will also sync to our Exchange server, which would be, we will be okay. And after that, we will sync those users. So we will use the service name as Exchange Sync. Okay, as in the Active Directory, we have synchronized the users through AD Connect V2 tool. So in the same way, we will enroll those users. So what are the users present in my Office 365? They are Ramesh and sales. Sorry, not this is the on, already in Office 365. But Jane Smith and John Doe. These are the users. I will sync it from of Exchange server to means first I will bring it in Exchange server, and then I will provide the connectivity to this Active Directory Connect server and this to Office 365. Okay, guys. So basic installation we will do for the Exchange server, which I in the last videos I already told. So I will start this server now, and we'll bring it in the domain. So guys, we have mounted the ISO in our Oracle VirtualBox, and I'm starting this server. So we are doing the initial installation setup of this server. I will press any key and it will be loading the files. So here we will see the setup of this server, Exchange Server 2019. And from this, we will also check like what all things. First, we'll bring it in domain, which is example.local. And after that, I will restart this server, and once get it restarted, I will install the necessary tools sets which I have shown to you, like in the previous videos. Like you will see, these are the tool set. I will install it, which is on my on-premise machine. So I will bring copy it on the Exchange server. Okay, so let's start this server first. Okay, the server is start getting started. I will go to next, input method English. Okay, I will agree on everything. Will be files. We are getting things ready. So this is the manual installation. You can start with the desktop experience. So standard evolution license also you can install. And I will accept the license agreement. This is the evolution version of 2019 server. And thereafter we would, install it. So we'll load the driver and price form. We'll try to boot it from there.